Hello everyone, and welcome to the unboxing and initial setup of the PVY Z20 PRO e-bike. And this is a e-bike that is very interesting from one point of view. This is an e-bike that has somehow a familiar design, a proven design, yet it comes with something else. It comes with great value. So it's a bike that should offer a new buyer a very good value, so you get a lot of accessories and you get very good build quality, all that in a lower price. So this should be a very interesting bike. So we are going to unpack it and see how this thing looks. So beside what you are seeing here, the bike comes packed really well. So beside all this foam and tape that you get around it, it comes in a very sturdy cardboard box, and it has a lot of extra foam around in the box. So even if it's dropped by the delivery guy, the bike will survive. And I like the fact that I know that this is not significant, but the packaging here is somehow a bit more friendly, because you don't get so many zip ties that you need to cut. You just have several zip ties, and most of the other things are just foam with tape, so you can take them off right away rather quickly. So this is the handlebar. I'm going to put it somewhere here for now. Right. The bike is also mostly pre-assembled, so there's not a lot of work to do on it. Mostly unpacking, installing pedals, and look at the paint job. The paint job is really nice, not only on the mudguards but also on the frame. This uses glossy paint. It's not that matte paint that you get on other bikes. Look at the paint job, really nice. Okay, that's off, that's off. Right, and I have here another one that holds this. Okay, we are getting there, so we are almost ready to unfold it. They're still here, this one. Okay, and let's see now, can we unfold this? Yes, we can. And just like that, the bike is unfolded, and I can put the kickstand on, and we can move on further. Together with the bike we get some extra accessories, such as a phone holder and also a cover for the bike. Also there are the basic accessories that we need, such as the pedals, and we get a front LED headlamp, rear refractor, and under the pedals here we get some tools, and here is the charger, all sitting well, as you can see, nicely packed in. And underneath all of that we get the manual. So let's take also a quick look at the manual. Right, so table of contents is good, it's in English, and we get notification, riding method, battery charging, inserting, unlocking the battery, pedal assist system. So we get information for everything, even for the shifter, how to operate it, the saddle position, derailleur system, maintenance and cleaning, battery storage, braking period. So there are a lot of things here, and even a very important troubleshooting guide here that is very extensive. And that's it. There are no pictograms in this manual, so when you are installing the bike you need to maybe follow this video, but as you can see it's not that much to do. It's mostly unboxing And now let's install the seat post. That's easy to do. You just insert it here into the frame. You get a very long stem. That's nice because this bike can adjust to all heights of people. And that's installed. The seat, by the way, is kind of nice because it has a lot of cushioning. It's not that sporty type. And now the pedals. Take care when you are installing the pedals because they are labeled with left and right. Be sure to install them properly. So the right one. Okay. And further on, finish with the provided spanner here. This one should fit. Be sure to secure them. Same for the other one on the other side. And now the handlebar. I'm going to take off the packaging here. Right, and the wheel should be that way around. This should be this way around. Okay, that way. We take this protection off and unlock it. I can actually probably insert it for by now. Yes, I can. And very interesting and very nice. A nice addition. Is the first time that I see this actually properly installed on a bike. You have here a label, it says a line here, and you have also an arrow here. So you can line this up correctly and also not put it the other way around, as some people install stems reversed, as they believe that this curvature of the stem that needs to be forward. Usually they put it backward so the handlebar is closer to you. Don't do that. You can crash your bike doing that because it can become unstable. Now all I have to do is to unlock this. Okay, it has a locking latch protection on the other side, and then the lever. This is very tight. Okay, and now I have to use a hex key to tighten this up so it doesn't rotate without actually moving the wheel. Okay, and that should do it. And we have installed the handlebar properly. All we have to do now is to fix the front part of the mudguard, which is left untightened, because you also need to install the front headlamp. This step is a bit more fiddly because it uses a nylock, and that's a locking nut with nylon inside, so you need to use something to hold it from stopping it to turning together with the screw that you are untwisting. So you need both hands, and you somehow need to put this underneath, and this is in a shallow area, so it's kind of complicated to hold the spanner there, so you keep the nut from untwisting. So this is actually probably the most complicated part of setting up this bike, but it's not that complicated overall. And now we need to prepare the headlamp, so I'm going to pull this. Probably this should have batteries, and yes, it has batteries. It's actually pretty powerful for a battery powered LED lamp. It has this adjusting arm, and this should fit here. And now we are going to put the screw back through the mudguard and fix that nut in the back. There's also a washer to make things sit properly. And as simple as that, the bike is now installed. So let's see, does it power on? Yes, it powers on right away. So all we have to do now is to fully charge the battery and then go out for a full test ride and review. So be sure to follow my next uploads, and until then, see you and bye bye.